Hey Bill, wow, you seem to be doing good. What a change compared to last month. You were so tense. So tell me more about this solution you found that made such a difference.
Sure. I believe that Atempo not only saved my projects, but also probably saved my job. First, let me tell you about more of the challenges I was facing. Number one, our creative team is made up of two groups working on the same project, but on separate sites, at different times of day, and on separate storages. They need to synchronize their production daily. Number two, then, both teams need to archive their finished work to an active archive platform on demand. Number three, but that's not all. They also need to back up their work daily. Number four, and finally, we must back up our central petabyte scale GPFS storage to make sure that all of our company's critical business data is protected. So, you see, I had to deal with these four major projects with a very short deadline. Everyone had high expectations in terms of performance. We had very little leeway because of the massive amount of data to back up, archive, or synchronize. Backup windows were exploding, our network was saturated by the syncs. As you can imagine, I was completely stressed out, and I felt helpless.
Oh my God, and how did you manage to find a solution for all this?
Well, I was really lucky. I met with Atempo at a show and discovered their data protection solutions. And believe it or not, Atempo covers all my use cases. Remember my creative teams needing to sync the storages between LA and NY? Atempo does it. Archiving? This is a dream. Atempo has interfaces for my post-prod creative people to archive their work directly as needed. Atempo does it. Backup? Atempo backs up my LA, New York, and San Francisco storages. StoreNext, iCylon, NetApp, and GPFS at incredible speed. They have this very fast scanning capability that allows them to detect all modifications and do incremental forever. Atempo does it. And last but not least, Atempo also protects my big 3 petabytes GPFS central storage. What's even better is that they provide express restart with DR. In case of disaster, my users and applications can work directly on the backup target. Backup and DR. Atempo does it. I'm fully covered with my 4 projects, and yes, I'm good and ready to start new projects. You too can adopt a Zen attitude to face your data protection needs with Atempo solutions.